Hey guys, welcome back to zt.Gaming's channel. We are going to be playing Flappy Crush of part 2. This is part 2, guys. So if you haven't seen the first one, go check it out. But in today's video, we are going to be completing extreme mode to see if we can unlock crazy mode. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the section below for what game you want me to try. So, yeah, let's do this. So, apparently this game, you crush people. As you saw in my first video, I kind of explained the whole thing. But, yeah, so we're gonna just crush some birds, you know. It's a normal thing to do in a game, because it's totally not animal abuse. Like, if anyone says it's animal abuse, they're just jealous. Just kidding. I have no idea how that would make you jealous. Oh, boom, you stupid birds. Don't pass, you shall not pass. I mean, that's kind of worthless, but oh well. Oh, you better watch out. It's gonna get bloody in here. Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, he almost got past, but he didn't. Fuck! Ah, jeez. No. Okay, we're gonna find some power-ups we can use. Okay. Why are these all 7,000? That's nuts. Candyland, I want something that'll do some damage, yo. Oh, iFunny. No one likes that. Get it off my screen. This isn't porn. Okay, let's do this, guys. Round 2. He almost passed, but I didn't let him. No bird should pass. Maybe we should add our other power-up on, guys. Couldn't you have 3 in the beginning? Okay, there we go. No, we don't want to play roll the ball. Wait, what the heck? Hold on, guys. I didn't activate the power-ups for some reason. Technical difficulties. Okay, we want that one. We want this one. We want this one. Okay, I think that's how we do it. Yeah, here we try to get past. Didn't let you. Are we even ever gonna pass this? Here we go. I'm just gonna keep spamming the pipe to see if we... Yeah. 49 kills. Dang, Daniel. Okay. That was a Firebird. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. We're about to win, guys. Just 200 more. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Here we go. We're about to win, guys. We're about to win. We're about to win. Woo! And we won. We won, guys. We did it. We did it. I'm going to see if we can keep on doing it. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. We unlocked crazy mode, and it only took 7.14 seconds, 7 minutes. Oh, I wasn't paying attention there. Okay. Dang it. Well, we did it. We got a gold medal, and we got crazy mode, which is 2 times bone bucks. So, we did it. No spam? That's a new mode. You have to score 3,000. Thank you guys for watching. And just a little bonus. We're going to try out crazy mode a little bit right now. Oh, damn. What the fuck? Let's try that again. He's like, psych. Oh, Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys recommend any games for me playing, list it down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.